Truth of the matter is the Chicago Blackhawks are bigger, stronger, faster, and more talented than the Vancouver Canucks. We saw it last year. This year, Jonathan Toews and company put an exclamation point on this series and on the matchup between these two teams by winning all 3 games at GM Place. Hawks and Sharks, 2 teams with a mostly Canadian makeup. Winner goes to the Stanley Cup Final. This segment, let's talk about the Vancouver Canucks. Roberto Luongo was okay. If they're ever going to win the Stanley Cup with Louis as their goalie, he's going to have to be Conn Smythe-like. Simply put, he wasn't. Did not run the table the way he did at the Olympic Games. Ryan Kesler, other than those 2 assists in the first period of Game 1, was brutal in this series. Awful. The Vancouver Canucks are going to need to make some changes. I'm hearing that Willie Mitchell is not part of their plans for next year. Are you kidding me? He's one of the best defensive defensemen in the NHL. The backbone of this team. I'm thinking about putting the C on him, and they're telling me they're going to tell him, see you later. I'm disappointed in that. They're going to have to make decisions on Kyle Wellwood. He is UFA. Bye-bye Pavel Demitra. It was not a friendly run in the Lower Mainland for you. Then the RFAs, guys like Shane O'Brien, Mason Raymond, they're going to need raises. And the number crunching I've done, the Canucks are going to be close to the cap. So they're going to have to make some decisions. Yeah, they lost Demitra and his $4 million, but Ryan Kesler will make $5 million next year. So the core of the team will be the same. The future looks good. They have a lot of good players. Sedins are signed. Burrows is cheap. Kessler's better than this. Luongo's got years left on his deal. They have to make a decision on Willie Mitchell, and I'm not sure what they're going to do with that. I'd keep him for sure. Then the core next year will be augmented by some young players. How good is Sergei Shirokov? I don't know. Cody Hodgson, he's a future star. Jordan Schrader, he also has to be in the mix. Will this put the Canucks over the top next season? Probably not. They're a good team that can win the division, that can compete into the second round of the playoffs. But until they start matching the depth of teams like San Jose and Chicago in the West, the Canucks are not ready with this group to win the Stanley Cup. They'll be good, but not great. Not in 2011. For TheScore.com, I'm Steve Kouleas.